Namaskar dear children. I know you all are ready. So get set go. Let's learn something new today. Now children, just look out of your window and tell me, is the sun shining brightly in the sky? Is it a sunny day? Or is it a cloudy day? Can you see dark clouds? Or children, is it raining outside? In some places it may be raining and in some places it may not. Since children, it is a rainy season, I am going to sing a small rhyme. Listen and tell me where you have heard it. I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I'm wet too. So are you. Do you remember? Yes, you have learned it in nursery class. Now, words like raindrops, thunder, wet, what do these words remind us about? Rainy season. And children, what all seasons we know about? We know about summer season, winter season and rainy season. In summer season, children, we feel very hot. The sun shines brightly in the sky. We drink ample of water. Children, ample means lot of water. We also enjoy eating ice cream, isn't it children? We wear cotton clothes and we also use our goggles or hats before we go out in the hot sun. What happens in winter season? We feel very cold and we wear our sweaters, gloves to protect ourselves from cold. We also like to drink hot milk or hot soups. Now, children, what all changes do we see in our surroundings in rainy season? We see a rainbow in the sky. And yes, our surroundings look more beautiful in rainy season. We see greenery everywhere. We see puddles full of water. Children, even the sun loves to play hide and seek with the clouds. We are afraid when we see lightning and hear thunderstorm. Trees and plants look very fresh and beautiful. We hear frogs croaking around. And you all love to go out and play in the rain with your friends. Even we love to see cars splashing water on the road. And the best thing you know, children? Yes, we love to make paper boats and float them in the flowing water. We enjoy going out wearing our raincoats or with our umbrella. We feel very happy when our mother makes garma garam kanda bhaji. Am I right, children? So today we are going to learn a nice poem about rain. Open your Balbharti textbook to page number 1414. This poem is written by the poet Robert Stevenson. Children, do you know who a poet is? Yes, a poet is a person who writes the poem. Now listen, Rain by Robert Stevenson. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrella here and on the ships at sea. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. Means children, when it rains, when it starts raining, we see rain everywhere in our surroundings. It rains on every tree, plant, on the field. It rains on the umbrella here and on the ships at sea. Children, when we go out in the rain with the umbrella, it protects us, but the umbrella gets wet. What happens to you when you are in the rain? Yes, you get wet and you enjoy. In the same way, trees, plants in the fields and the ships sailing in the sea too get wet and they look beautiful. When it rains, children, you must be watching and enjoying the rain from your window. And you must be missing the fun to go out and play in the rain with your friends, isn't it? But avoid going out. Remember, you must take care of your health in rainy season by drinking boiled water, eating healthy food, and washing your hands frequently. Now children, what all new words we learned in the poem today? Repeat after me. Rain, falling, around, field, tree, umbrella, ship, sea. Children, you know rainbows are made up of all 7 colors that come from light. And these colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Now children, listen to the poem and enjoy. Did you like it? So children, now you have to learn the poem. Bye and take care.